So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating mobile phone, pumunta lang tayo sa dial ng ating device. And dito guys sa dial lang natin is *123, number sign or hashtag, and then call. And then after nyan guys, dito naman ang pilian lang natin is yung number 3, which is yung saya all. So type natin yung number 3 and then send. And then dito guys, hanapin nyo lang yung 449. So nandun siya sa number 4. So ang itatype natin is number 4, then tap send. And ayan guys, kapag daw nag-register tayo ng saya all 449, makakukuha tayo ng free only 5G, plus only TikTok, FB, and then Mobile Legends. Plus, bukod pa doon, meron pa siyang 20 gigabytes, plus only calls and texts. Valid na siya guys for 28 days, worth of only 449 pesos. So, para makaregister guys, i-type lang natin yung number 1 to subscribe, and then send. And then dito guys, continue lang natin. Type natin yung number 1, and then send. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-register ng saya all 449 sa ating smart